Sequence and series. So motor 2 will start 10 seconds automatically after motor 1 is running by using the same start button. 10 seconds later after motor 2 is running, wait motor will stop automatically. Emergency stop button and stop can stop both motors. Overload can trip both motors. Use one off delay timer and one on delay time. So when you say automatically, that means yes timer. So you are looking at a timer. So we are using the same start button. So this is the sequence. When you close here, press start button. This is motor 1 coil. This is motor 2 coil. Motor 1, motor 2 coil. So you press the start button, and then when you press the start button here, it closes in here. Also close automatically because it's a off delay timer. This is an off delay timer. On delay timer. So power will come through here. Energize this one, and then this one close automatically. So in off delay timer, when it's energized, you get power and everything closes immediately. So this is an on delay timer. So the on delay timer and the motor 1. This is the symbol for motor 1. So this one will start to run, and it will run for the next 10 seconds. This one, after 10 seconds, it will close here. And then this one was closed because of this is T2. T2 means timer for timer 2. So when this one closed, the power will come automatically. We'll have power coming to this motor. And then when you leave the start button, and this one will retain the power. And then when this one is activated, when this one is activated, it will open here, and then off delay timer will start counting. After counting for the next 10 seconds, this will open. Also, this one will open. So when it opens, both motor will stop. So this is how same start button sequence operate. Or if they say automatical, that means there's a timer involved. So bear in mind when they asking for a timer.